Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon, doctor. So in this video, basically I'm going to briefly explain to you about 4 different types of research paradigms, namely positivism, interpretivism, pragmatism, as well as critical theories. And these 4 different types of research paradigms I will try to explain in brief via 3 different aspects, namely the type of reality that it concerns, and the methodology, as well as the type of data for each research paradigm that has interest in. First of all, when we talk about positivism, for example, this type of research paradigms is very much, I would say, black and white thing, meaning to say, when we talk about its finding, it is very much interested in knowing the single truth. And as for its methodology, it will be a quantitative type of thing, and that same goes to the data that you would probably get if you practice or if you imply this research paradigm, this positivism, in your study. You will get a quantitative data. Next, as for interpretivism, so this is totally different compared to positivism. Interpretivism is very much concerned, when we talk about reality, it could be multiple, meaning to say the meaning is constructed according to social factor, and this is very much related to a qualitative type of study, type of research. And as for the data, it will be a qualitative as well. Next, we also have pragmatism. This type of research paradigm is very interesting because it is very much product oriented, meaning to say, if you are a researcher who conducts this type of research, who implies this type of research paradigm in your study, you have a very strong interest in producing the product rather than understanding the situation. For example, if we talk about ESL learning context, if you would like to overcome the problem in writing, and we all know one of the major problems encountered by our ESL learners is the spelling problem. So you will probably produce, or you will probably create certain modules or a system, or a type of software that would actually help our ESL learners to overcome the problem of spelling when they begin to write. And as for the methodology, it will be it could be quantitative, and it also could be qualitative. And for the data, it really depends. If you conduct a quantitative study, your data will be quantitative, and if you conduct a qualitative study, your data will be a qualitative thing. And last but not least, critical theories. So these critical theories research paradigms, when we talk about it, is very how would I say, is very critical, meaning to say the aim of this research is to explore certain ideas which seems taboo to our community. For example, when we talk about, you know, gay and lesbian community. So if we would like to understand in details, if you would like to understand the situation, so this research paradigm could probably fit for that type of research. And yeah, and for the data, mainly it will be a qualitative thing, because you know you would like to understand the situation. So that is my understanding in brief about the 4 types of research paradigms. I hope that is sufficient for now. Thank you, doctor. Have a good day.